Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Marshayla, and if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back for another video. Today, it's all about this hair right here. She's giving body, she's giving curls, she's giving, dare I say, Miss Beyonce Giselle Knowles Carter herself.
Oh my God, are you fucking insane? Beyonce?
She might be. She might be giving just that. This is in Outre. I think that's how you pronounce it. Outre? Let me know if that's how you pronounce it in the comments. I think that's how you do it though. Outre hair wig in the style Stevie. And this is in the champagne color. I didn't do nothing but curl it. She came layered, she came beautiful. And I got this from my local beauty supply. Pretty sure you could find this online as well. It was $50 at my local beauty supply. What I'm noticing with these wigs is it's more affordable to buy it directly from the company. Because I'm pretty sure I looked this up and it was only like $30. I'm pretty sure. I might be wrong, but I'm gonna insert it. I'm gonna insert it here when I looked it up online and saw how much it costs, and I got it for $30. I mean, I got it for $50. I'm not sure how many inches. I'm gonna say maybe like 22 inches. But the color is what I'm really living for. So y'all know I had the blonde hair Tiana in the last video, and so I be seeing my family more often since I'm about to move. And they're like, oh, I like this color. That other color was just too blonde.
Why are you speaking when no one asked you?
I mean, y'all just hating because y'all can't step out your comfort zone like I can and give you a different look like I can. And it's okay. It's okay. You don't have to like it. I like it.
This many folks.
I'm a huge fan of Outre wigs. This is my second one and I'm already sold. I can't wait to get more. I did curl this hair myself. The curls did fall a little bit, and so I just thought I just recurled it again. Look on my YouTube page. I'll have a short of how to curl your synthetic wig. Let me know what are some techniques that you use to perfect your ball cap method, or what you do that, you know, help your ball cap lay down and look like scalp. If you want to see how I installed the wig the first time I wore it, then keep on watching. Alright guys, and that is how I installed this wig for the first time. I love it. This is probably my favorite one so far. I'm gonna try out another different one next time. But this right here, I love her. I can go back to her. She's like the color, the roots, the color, the roots, the layers. It's just beautifully made. I'm gonna give it to y'all at Outre. Y'all are making beautifully made and affordable wigs. Who don't want that? That is a perfect combo right there. That's what I'm looking for. If you like this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.